gardens. Okay, are you ready? I am. Let's go. But there's a couple of things we need to know before we actually plant the garden. So we are actually growing in our high tunnel. This high tunnel, its name is the Odyssey. You got to name all your buildings because they're all really weird. And there's two reasons for this. Not that it's weird. Two reasons for why we're growing in the high tunnel. One is I can extend the season a little bit to mimic a zone 8. I actually live in a zone 4-5. So what I can do is have a longer growing season for you so you guys get more garden information. The second reason is I need the cover to keep the rain off of the camera. We would have to skip some weeks if we didn't have the roof over the garden. So you don't need a greenhouse to grow this garden. This garden system is designed to grow outdoors, but it does work indoors too. Okay, today we're going to work with high performance garden characteristic number 7. The garden is well planned. We need to plan the garden when we're going to plant. If your timing is off, you're going to get really poor results. So the first thing we need to know is what is our zone. Second thing we need to know is what is our last average frost date. And we need to know which of our plants are cool weather plants and which of our plants are warm weather plants. So the cool weather plants, they can take some frost, and a warm weather plant will not take any frost at all. They'll just up and die on you. So if you don't know your planting zones, go to the Living Farm website and read the article. It's at thelivingfarm.org/project/planting-Z-1. And another great article is thelivingfarm.org/how-to-plan-your-garden-according to your-region. We will put these in the link below so you can just click on them and go, because that's just way too much to remember. But thelivingfarm.org is our main website, and there are tons and tons and tons of great information for you. We've been putting it up there for years. The information is pretty much ageless, so you can go and read any article, still apply today. So between these two articles, you can get your zone, your frost date, and learn which plants are cool weather plants and which plants are the warm weather plants. So, like I said, we'll put these links in the video below so you don't have to remember what they are. Okay, let's get the cool weather plants and get started. We are going to start with getting the garden prepared. We're going to plant some seeds, water, we're going to put up some cold frames, and get going. Okay. We are going to start down here on this corner. To learn lots more about easy, productive gardening, tune into the High Performance Garden Show. You don't want to miss out. The show features a 128 square foot vegetable garden that can produce over $2,500 worth of garden fresh veggies with only a 15-minute a day commitment. And we'll show you everything that we do in that garden for a 33-week growing season. Along with the upcoming season, you can also watch the last 2 seasons. That's over 110 hours of gardening education, totally for free. Soon we'll be starting season 3, which will provide you 33 more weekly episodes to get you even more garden tips and techniques on how to grow a high-performance garden in your backyard. So sign up today, start learning. It's totally free. Start your garden season off right by going to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.